How long will this take?
About 3 hours. If we don't have too many problems.
We got a problem.
Or maybe 4. Well, come on. We've got to move it. What the?
Guys, we've got a bigger problem. A much bigger problem.
Stop, fools! If you drop that beast, it'll hit the ground like an earthquake and set off the nitro. Come on, we've got to draw it away from the vehicles.
You draw it away.
There's no bigger coward than a poacher without a gun. Tree grazers are supposed to be peaceful. What's the matter with it?
It's sick.
Wahoo!
I've seen slithers get this way when they drink polluted water. These leaves seem to help. Here, boy.
She's nuts.
I think it worked. It definitely worked.
Slick work, Dundee.
Never underestimate the power of natural medicine, Jack Tenrek.
Let's get that tree out of the way.
We'll never get all of this cleared out before the fire gets here. If it even gets here.
Scharnhorst, how's it going?
This is a waste of time. All we've got are hatchets and machetes against the densest jungle in the interior.
What's the fire doing?
Still moving. No change.
You've got to keep working. I don't know if we can get there in time. I still say bringing those 3 creeps was a mistake.
This is an emergency, Jack, and the only way we'll make it is by working together.
More of your half-baked Wassoon ideals?
With 3 trucks, there's a better chance that at least one will make it. We need their help.
Oh yeah, they were a big help with that slither.
Better slow up.
Vice, Wrench, walk your bikes across. We'll follow, one at a time.
That thing'll never hold up.
Sure it will. I'll take the car across first. See? It's a piece of cake. Okay, Hammer, your turn.
These trucks weigh a lot more than that tin can of yours. Let Mustafa go first.
Mustafa brings up the rear.
I ain't crossing that thing till I know it's safe. You're a bigger coward than I thought.
Take it easy, Mustafa.
Piece of cake.
Okay, Hammer. What are you doing? Get back there and start driving.
Why should I risk my neck? You do it.
You chicken, Hammer?
No, just smart.
Yeah.
Get your greasy hands off me, mechanic!
I'm running this mission, Hammer. You follow my orders.
I don't take orders from nobody.
You're gonna get in that truck and drive.
That does it! Drive it yourself!
Hammer!
We need
Terhoons. We've all got to cooperate.
I told you it wasn't safe.
All right, nobody move. I want my dynamite back.
Too late, kid. We used it.
Then I want you.
We've got 15 jars of nitro.
Nitroglycerin? I want it, all of it.
Okay, you want it? You so much as twitch and I'll drop it.
You wouldn't dare.
Just try me.
Tenric, you're gonna get us wasted.
Just let him have a couple of jars.
Shut up. Put the gun down. Now.
I won't forget this.
If you're smart, you will. Well, are you people waiting for something? Let's move. We've got to get to that canyon before the fire does. I want every one of you Terhoons in eyesight. Stay in formation.
All right, Jack, take it easy.
Listen, those goons are just looking for an excuse to get my tail blown up. And you want me to cooperate with them?
Everybody's tense, Jack. A little of that famous Tenrec cool might help.
I think I left it back at the bridge.
Hey, Tenric, wanna play chicken?
Hammer, you idiot! If my nitro blows, it'll set yours off too. Now back off!
I'm sick of taking orders from you, Tenric.
Take the wheel!
Door's stuck.
Slick driving, Hammer.
You gonna let him get away with that, big brother?
We'll make our move at the river.